also format it. I can say if you just click on this cell and the format, whatever the format painter you have, if you just click on this, it's just formatting, right? So you can also do with this and format the cell. Yeah, so we have several other options to do that, but let's go and flow so that we will get some idea with other tabs we have. Yeah, let's take this consideration as an example, and let's do with these other tabs. So in the next tab we have the font. So in the font you can do some customization here. So I'm just clicking this cell. We have option with some other tab called the font and also the size of the font, and we do have to increase the font size or decreasing the font size. And we do have as a bold and also the italic font you want to be specified with underline fonts. We have some other options like double underlining or normal underlining or single underlining. We have some of the borders to encounter if you want to be specified with the bottom or the top or the left or the right, or for all the borders or thickness you want to be specified. So we had some other borders and draw borders also with respect to some of the, you can say, border grid line you want to be specified, or the outer border, a thick border, or the top and only for the bottom borders. So whenever whatever the borders you want to be specified with respect to the sheet, that will be fine with that. So I just want to specify it with the bottom border. So let's go and display that. So you can see this. So if I want to specify it with the top border for the three value, I just click on this. Yeah, it's specified with the bottom border and the top border. If I want to specify it maybe for the all the borders or maybe the thick outer border, yeah, you can see that. So thick outer border, it's also going to be showcased with respect to this. If I want to specify this cell, which consists maybe 89 value. So this cell I want only for this right side border. Yeah, so you can see that line, that line with this right side border. So like that you can specify maybe so that it will make some sense to understand to the end user. If suppose there might be not be criteria, we have to be ignore these kind of the values like that. Yeah, let's delete this so that we will go and discuss these two values what we had. So it nothing to do with these borders, but just to visualize the things in a much better when compared to the visualize these things in this way. Okay. So some of the other options called we can also use, I think, fill color to encounter to fill this. So if I just click this, if I select this cell and I click this color, it will end up with this fill this cell whatever the color you want to be specified. Currently we are using yellow color, so you can also use custom color you want to be specified with the blue or any kind of the color you want to be specified with respect to that. And you can also use more colors option to customize the things much better. You can also customize the things much better so that you will get some idea. And you can also go with some of the other automatic color text, which is in the form of the font sizes or font coloring you want to be encountered with this section. Yeah, currently we're going to be use no color, so let's wear with the white color only. Yeah. And again, some alignment you can also see here, some center on the right side corner, right side bottom corner, and the top corner. So like this, we have some of the alignments. You can also preferable to check this. Let's suppose I'm just clicking on this. Currently, it is in the right corner. So if I click on this center alignment, it comes under the center alignment. If I click on this left side, it will comes to left alignment. So like that, you will also specify it with alignment if you want. Otherwise it will be okay to by default it takes as a right alignment. So if you want to be takes the consideration of the left or the right corner, that will be enough to uh, do this some of the make changes. Yeah, orientation wise, you can specify with the rotation, maybe or vertical. You can also use some of the clockwise, anti-clockwise, so that it will make some kind of the assumption to check with this some of the values. So if you want to specify it as an anti-clockwise or the clockwise, so you can see it went into some different format, right? So let's undo it. Yeah. Some of the cases maybe we can use that, but some of the other cases you may not be use that. So something called as a decrease indent, and this is going to be help us move your content is going closer to the cell border. And you can also display whenever you don't know some of the options. This is going to be give us some of the good results. Move your content closer to the cell border. Just click on this. What will happen? So this is going to be cell border, moving content to the left side border. So that's how it's going to be works out. And similarly, we have the wrap text. It's going to be do as extra long with the text into the multiple lines so that you can see all of it. So you have a text in your cell that's going to be extra text to the multiple lines. Okay, so that you can see all the text. So let's type some of the text, maybe text as sample. Yeah, if you want to be drag this, the width size is going to be increased. And for the row cell also you can drag like this. The head size is going to be increased for the row wise. Okay. So that is a simple formulation. Just click the wrap text maybe. Yeah, I can see something is happening, right? So if I click again, it went out. It coming again. It coming away. So like that, this option may be helpful to handle out with a specific kind of the wrap text if you want to be specific. And the merge and center is going to be pick up what are the different cells you're going to be merged. Let's suppose you're going to be merged with these two. Just pick up where you want to be specified, like a center or like cross. So just click the merge cells. So cells keep appearing discards other than. So let's other we can do that again maybe. Current it's not merging out. And we can also go with the number wise. You can specify it with the number wise you want to be. Suppose you want to be specified as a dollar symbol. So go with currency. Yeah, you can see that this currency. You can also go with maybe other tabs you want to be specified with the dollar, or maybe a English format. So you're specifying with the dollar symbol so that it will be make some assumption with the $2 we are using for this product. And if you want to be using for only for percentile value, just use the percentile. It will create the percentile value for all the columns. If you want to be specified in a column wise, you can just click on this column and specify it with the percentile. So it will create the same thing. Similar way, you can also use for the currency. For the other column, you can use, and you can also specify it with respect to the currency you need. So like that, we will use this number tab, number sub tab, I can say. So it will be going to be converted with respect to what are the other number format you need to specify with it. And the percentile value you can also specify it here directly. And some of the comma style you want to specify, like it will create the comma value with respect to that. Yeah, you can also use comma. And this is the increasing decreasing operation. If suppose I am just doing for this, I can say this is the decreasing. And if I specified with the increasing, it will create and it will delete the cell. It will delete the number of the decimal value what we have. This is increasing, this is the decreasing format. And some styles we are going to be showcased as sub tabs like conditional formatting. So if I use this, so conditional formatting, it's going to be help us with some of the cells highlighted, and if you want to be specified the greater than, the less than, in between, and also the equals, and also the text equal format that may be possible to get that. And the color scales you can also specify it, and icon sets if you want to be get the increasing or the decreasing. And also you want to be specified the different kind of the icons that may be possible to do that. And you can also see some data bars like to showcase with the different colors. This is also very good method to handle it out with the gradient field along with the solid field we're going to be showcased. And bottom line rules we can also specify it with respect to. So we're going to see discuss in this course so that you will get some idea, I can say. In the format has a table also, we can go with some of the lighting and also the medium and the darkness to showcase with respect to these cells. Currently we are not going to the details of it. Let's go and discuss some of the UI parts so that you will get some idea.